Swift Credit Repair Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of Swift Credit Repair, a service designed to help individuals take control of their credit scores quickly and effectively. If you're interested in exploring this service further, links to Swift Credit Repair are available in the description below. In this video, I'll discuss its features, who it's ideal for, and my experience using it, so you can determine if it's the right choice for you. Swift Credit Repair focuses on delivering fast and efficient credit repair solutions. The service begins with a comprehensive credit report analysis from the three major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Their team identifies errors, inaccuracies, or unverifiable items on your report, such as late payments, collections, or charge-offs, and disputes these on your behalf. The process is designed to produce noticeable improvements in a short time frame, aligning with the Swift promise in their name. This service is perfect for individuals looking to improve their credit score quickly, whether you're preparing to apply for a mortgage, auto loan, or simply aiming to reduce interest rates on existing debts. It's particularly well-suited for people who value efficiency and don't want to navigate the complex dispute process on their own. One standout feature of Swift Credit Repair is its easy-to-use client portal. This secure platform allows users to track the status of disputes, view updates in real time, and communicate with the team for any questions or concerns. Additionally, Swift Credit Repair offers personalized guidance to help clients maintain and improve their credit long-term, such as tips on managing credit utilization and payment habits. Another key highlight is their transparent pricing structure. They offer competitive plans without hidden fees, making it easier for clients to budget for credit repair services. Flexible payment options ensure accessibility for individuals from various financial backgrounds. In summary, Swift Credit Repair lives up to its name by providing a fast and efficient solution for improving your credit score. With professional dispute management, user-friendly tools, and educational resources, it's a comprehensive service for anyone looking to achieve better credit health. Check the links in the description to learn more and take the first step toward a brighter financial future today.